Alright, got a small one this morning. I'm trying out a bitchy bug with a Keytech crawler. Partly cloudy, light variable winds, and so far I'm out here by myself on a Sunday morning. No, not really. I'm out here with the Lord, and He's making my day. Back to fishing. Now, there's another small one on that bitchy bug. I missed a big one a little bit earlier. Had him on and lost him. Alright, back to fishing. Well, this is, let's see, Wednesday morning. That's my first bass on my new, one of my new bitchy bugs I made up. Looks like partly cloudy, light and variable winds. I'm in 9 to 10 foot of water. Back to fishing. Well, there's another one for my bitchy bug I made up in the black and blue. That one's about 3 pounds. That one I didn't get out. He had swallowed that one. Alright, back to fishing. Well, that's number 4 that I've hooked up with on this bitchy bug. Number 2, I didn't set the hook good enough, and they come off. That's the little bitchy bug I make. I put a crazy flapper on there by Keytech. You can get them at landbigfish.com. That's black and blue, 3-inch. So what I do is I tear off the little back piece off of it, and then put it on there. That way the legs and all are out the front, hang out below the jig. Well, I'm going back to fish.